In this video, we're going to be taking a look at publishing our Godot game on the web. So the first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that the setting is on compatibility. So if it isn't, make sure you change it and it will probably restart your editor. Then you're going to go to editor, go to export templates and make sure you download and install. If you've already done this, you'll see the path over here. So let me close this. Then I'm going to go to project. I'm going to hit export. And if this web is already not here, we're going to go to add and you're going to make sure to add web. Okay. So then I'm going to export project. And then you're going to choose the path where you want to export your project to. So I'm going to create a folder to hold my game. I'm going to call it test game. Hit OK. And I'm going to untick this and make sure that this file is called index.html. And then hit save. Now our project is exported. Now from File Explorer, I can find my test game. And if I click on it, I can see all the files. What I'm going to want to do is put all of this inside of a folder and then make that a zip file. So I'm going to create a new folder. New folder. I'm going to call this my game. And I'm going to put everything inside of there. And now I'm going to right click. I'm going to click on this, I'm going to right click and I'm going to send to compressed folder. So now we've created a compressed folder containing our game. Next, we're going to head over to itch.io. This is where we're going to be publishing our game, and make sure you make an account, which is very simple. Once you've made an account, now we're going to click this drop down and we're going to hit upload new project. Now we can give our game a title. So I'm going to call this test YouTube game. And a lot of these settings are just optional, so you can set these yourself if you'd like. Then we're going to go on upload files, find your game and upload the compressed folder which we just made. Right, okay, so the other thing we're going to do is in kind of project, we're going to select HTML. And here we have some other settings which you might want to set, such as the viewport dimensions. And make sure you have shared array buffer support on. You can add other stuff like the description, the genre, tags, etc. And now I'm going to hit save and view page. So now I can hit run game. And now I can play my game in the browser. Admittedly not a very fun game, but I can play my game in the browser. Now you can take this link and you can share it to anyone and they can also try out your game. And that's it. That's all you have to do to publish your game. If this video has been helpful, please do give it a like, comment and subscribe. And thanks for watching.